Yo, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, we're gonna be filming a spec commercial for Spindrift. But before we get started, I just wanted to let everyone know that this video is in no way sponsored or promoted by Spindrift. I'm just a huge fan of their products, and this lemon flavor is absolutely delish. I hope you just enjoyed that little quick sequence. I'm gonna give you guys an inside look into how it was brought to life. Check it out. So for the first shot, we're gonna be shooting the can suspended in thin air, kind of turning on this blue background. We're shooting with the A7S2. You can see kind of what our shot is gonna look like right here. Pretty pumped on that. And then to suspend it, we've got a fishing line running up the light and then suspending the can. And if you look down in there, we have it tied to another can top to keep it suspended. I've got this fragrance bottle that I've emptied and filled with water so we can give a nice little refreshing effect to the can as it's rotating. To spin it, all we really have to do is just take the cord and just spin it slightly, and then we'll use that motion with some spritzing to give us the look that we're going for. The studio is also super hot, so we've got the fan going, but keeping the window open put a weird glare on the can, so we had to close the blinds to make sure that we could get the vibe just right. But this should end up being pretty cool. You can kind of see what we're going for with that shot. One, here we go. Got the Sony recording. We're gonna do a little bit of see where we need to be right here for the squirt. So for the next shot, the hanging fishing wire was making the can shake a little bit too much for some of the more detailed shots. So we've got it strung up on a nail that is actually going through like a ND filter case so that I can grab the top of it right here and then twist the can. And we're gonna be shooting just specific little details on the packaging. So calling out sparkling water, calling out the lemon, and then the yup, that's it. Just a few of like the key parts of the can that we're gonna want to show in the commercial. So the setup for the next shot, we still got the towel just so we can do some more of the spray to make it look refreshing. And yeah, it should be a good little setup. Get some more detail shots. So we'll have the hanging shots, then we'll have these detail shots, and then we'll do the hero shot. We should have enough that we need to make the little spot here. So unfortunately, doing the can spin with my hand wasn't working. So I've rigged up a fishing line here to where I can pull and turn the can. So this is actually working a lot better. We're about to shoot the next shot, just like this. It just connects via a piece of tape right down here at the bottom and has been super effective. And the shot is gonna look really good. So I'm just gonna go right here. All right. And just have it right here. And we'll go ahead and shoot it. Boom, all right. So the tourney shots did pretty good. Now we're just gonna shoot the final shot. We've got a blank backdrop, and I'm just gonna take the Spindrift and then just drop it into the frame, just like that, and pull out. So, you know, ideally we'd probably have a more dressed final shot with lemons and like kind of a better looking flavor hero shot. So this one will be pretty simple, but we'll have some words pop up on the right side of the screen over here with just like, you know, try Spindrift today, and then having the hand in it will give kind of that human element. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and shoot it. Let's go. Where I had that was pretty good, so I'm gonna try to just place it right back where it was. So we'll go out. Boom, one more. Boom. Check the placement. Oh yeah, that was perfect. So here we go to edit it.